my God, my audible's very clear ya. Oh, nobody gets me. Wis, gila. Culture banget ya teman-teman sekarang teh. Ada bro, siapa nih namanya nih? Bro yang mirip artis guys. Kemarin Bro Darwis ya? Bener? Tapi namanya masih Sister Umi nih. 5B nih kayak punya. Bisa sambil raput kayaknya nih ya. Don't forget to change your name. Jangan lupa namanya diganti ya. Bestie, bestie, bro and sis. Okay. Welcome back to our class. As you know, yesterday we already had of mini examination. So some of you here already present or deliver the mini examination, yeah, whether in Zoom or in our social media. So thank you so much. And I think I already gave you all of you here the feedback ya. Kalau nggak salah feedbacknya udah Siskara kasih semua. Please let me know if I'm afraid that maybe I skip the chat or so on teman-teman. Kalau misalnya Siskara kelewat, mohon diinfo ya. Khawatir nanti ada yang kelewat belum kebaca, everyone. Yeah, if you possible to open the camera, I really appreciate it ya buat teman-teman yang bisa open cam. Saya Clara apresiasi banget ya. Thank you so much. Right, so day 11, it's already third weeks teman-teman. Hari ini sudah minggu ketiga, which mean next week it's gonna be the final week of this level. Jadi minggu depan udah minggu terakhir teman-teman. Nggak kerasa ya. Kalau kerasa nggak betah ya teman-teman. Semoga nggak kerasa ya, bro and sis ya. So, yes, teman-teman sudah 10 hari nih gimana? Eh, udah ngerasa lebih percaya diri nggak teman-teman nih ketemu teman baru? Atau mungkin ada yang udah tukeran sosial media nih, boleh banget ya. If you want to get new crush atau new bestie, just ask her or him. Di sini boleh banget untuk nanya sosial media kamu apa gitu ya teman-teman ya. Kan katanya karena tak kenal maka tak sayang.
Sayang.
Betul Bro Amip nih. Alright. So in a day 11, we're gonna have my future dream. So we're gonna discuss about my future dream. Do you know what is the meaning my future dream? Apakah arti dari my future dream? Hmm,
Keinginan saya
yes, keinginanku ataupun impian, cita-citaku atau impianku. Cenah, yes, that's correct. Do you have a dream? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna ask you, yeah, what is your dream? What is your childhood dream job? And so on, everyone. It's exciting. So, my future dream ataupun impian ataupun cita-citaku di masa depan, teman-teman. I believe everybody's here has your dreams ya, teman-teman. Pasti di sini punya mimpi satu-satu ya. Mungkin ada yang pengen kerja di luar negeri, atau pengen sekolah di luar negeri, atau pengen kuliah di kampus perguruan tinggi negeri yang paling bergengsi di Indonesia, atau ada yang mau jadi PNS, ada yang mau jadi polisi, atau ada yang mau jadi adalah pokoknya ya teman-teman. Nah gitu ya teman-teman. My future dream pasti teman-teman memiliki future dream itu sendiri gitu. Tapi seiring perjalanan waktu ya everyone ya, maybe when I was a kid, si Clara juga mimpinya pengen jadi orang kaya gitu ya, everyone, a rich person. Tapi alhamdulillah sampai sekarang masih proses teman-teman ya. Masih proses guys, insya Allah everyone ya. Amin. So ya semoga teman-teman di sini juga bisa eh, jadi seseorang yang terbaik ya, versi terbaik dari diri teman-teman sendiri tentunya. Okay, our goal today is we're going to recognize our future in some occasions teman-teman. Jadi hari ini kita juga akan mengetahui ya bagaimana sih masa depan teman-teman dan juga beberapa lainnya teman-teman. Okay, let's having a conversation first. Di sini, I have four questions. The first one is to tell us what was your childhood dream job? Ada yang tahu artinya? What was your childhood dream job?
apa impianmu saat masih kecil?
Iya, Sis Putri hati lucu banget suaranya. So cute, kata Sis Putri langsung gitu ya. Yes, that's correct, Sis Putri. I really appreciate it. Apa impian pekerjaan apa impian pekerjaanmu saat masih? Kecil. Thank you, Sister Putri. How about the second one? What is the meaning of the second one? Do you still keep that dream? Coba. Ih, 60 yang join. Yang kemarin mini exam cuma 50 ya.
Apakah
Tenang
kamu masih
jarang deh.
mempertahankan
Masih menginginkan
impian
cita-cita
itu?
itu.
Yes, gimana? Ulangi lagi. Apakah?
Apakah kamu masih mempertahankan impian itu?
Oke, apakah
Enggak
kamu
tahu.
Oke, apakah kamu masih eh, boleh mempertahankan? Apakah kamu masih menginginkan mungkin ya, menginginkan atau menjadi gitu ya di cita-cita tersebut gitu boleh juga. Nah, how about if you change it? Why do you do it, teman-teman ya?
Jika kamu merubah
Jika
itu,
kamu
kenapa?
mengubahnya,
Mhm.
lalu kenapa?
Oke, sorry, Suslara. Ulang. Gimana, teman-teman? Jika kamu
Mengubahnya.
mhm, mengubah boleh. Jika kamu ingin mengubah, gitu ya. Jika kamu
Kenapa
mengubahnya, kenapa?
kamu lakukan itu?
Kenapa kamu lakukan itu? Sorry guys, ini mata Clara. Kenapa kamu lakukan itu? Typo, sorry. Last but not least, apa artinya guys? What are the good things about that dreams? Mhm. What are the good things about that dreams?
Apa hal terbaik tentang cita-cita itu?
Oke. Apa hal terbaik dari impianmu? Boleh,
Hal-hal yang baik.
boleh hal-hal yang
Cita-cita
baik
itu.
ataupun hal terbaik boleh deh. Oke, gitu ya teman-teman ya. So, those question, are you ready for our practice session here? Boleh kita praktik di main room dulu. Yang join udah 70, Masya Allah. Yang exam 40. That's okay. It's a process, everyone. Yeah. So guys, those questions. So I'm gonna invite some of you here to practice in our main room. So sekarang akan ajak teman-teman di sini untuk praktek atau melatih conversation in a main room ya. Ada yang mau coba nggak? For example, my childhood dream job is to be a doctor. Mhm. And then, do you still keep that dreams? Yes, I do. Kalau masih iya, boleh teman-teman bisa bilang, yes, I do, bla bla bla. Kalau udah enggak, maka jawabnya no. Yes, I do. Kalau udah enggak, jawabnya gimana? No. No, I
I
don't.
don't.
Yes, thank you, Bro Hafiz. If you change it, why do you want to do it, teman-teman? Kenapa teman-teman pengen mengubahnya ya? I change it because bla 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 gitu ya. What are the good things about that dream? Apa sih hal terbaik ataupun hal-hal yang baik dari impian teman-teman gitu ya? The good things about that dream, the good things typo about that dream, blah blah blah. Gitu ya. You can answer that. Okay, ready? Siapakah yang mau memulai duluan? Si Shalon udah raise hand. Why you lower your hand? Come on, just be confident. Sister Shalon, mana
Okay,
nih?
hello Miss.
Hi, Sis Shalon, how are you?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay.
May I answer the question?
Yes, go on.
Okay. What was my childhood dream job?
Mhm.
So my childhood dream job is I want to be a comicus because I like to drawing. I used to like to drawing.
Wow.
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
that's great. Sorry, Shalon, are you still in high school or already graduated?
Yes, I'm still in senior high school right
Senior
now
high school. Which
at third
grader?
grade.
Which grader?
What?
Which grader? Kelas berapa?
Class 3, Miss.
Oh,
third grade.
so you're about to graduate, yeah, in high school.
Yes.
That's fun. That's
Alright.
good. Keep it up, Sis Shallon. And do you still keep that dreams?
No, I don't. I do not.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
so
I changed.
you change it. Why?
Mm-mm. Because I think I want to be a teacher or maybe a writer some days because I want to combine my skill about English and drawings. And I want to be a writer or maybe just comics again. But I
Oh,
still learn English more than instead of drawing right now.
okay. That's quite interesting, Shallon, to hear. That's
Okay.
why you have a good English, Shallon. Okay. I have one
Uh,
question. Why are you not trying to continue into drawing, Seychelles? Because as you know, in this era, it's more promising instead of being teacher. Maybe teaching you
all
could
right.
be part-timers or maybe the freelancer or something, Selen.
I think it is about my consistency and
Oh,
about
I love that.
perkembangan AI,
Oh.
Miss. Right?
Oh, yes, but the
That's so
original,
sad.
yes, but the original ones, like from the artist or so on, Shellen, it's still the best,
Yes, Miss.
right? Masih yang terbaik nggak sih?
Thank you, Miss.
Even though
Tapi
they have AI. It's really
yes, Miss.
cool. Okay, tell us, what are the good things about that dream, Shellen?
About the good things about my dream. I think the good things I can find some my um apa sih namanya Miss kelebihan tuh apa Miss kalau di bahasa Inggris Miss
Advantage, that
weakness
weakness, ya boleh. Kelemahan atau
oh
kelebihan?
kelebihan Miss
Uh, advantage?
advantage maybe
Mm.
I can find my some
Oh, strength.
advantage than
Strength.
drawings
My
oh
strength.
strength. My strengths or
Mm-hmm.
my hobbies or my future job about drawings or English because I still learn on it.
Oh, that's
All
great.
right.
Give it up, challenge.
All
Give it
right.
up,
Thank
challenge.
you.
Yeah, wish you all the best for your career. But
All
yes,
right.
yeah, I highly recommend you to, yeah, to do that challenge and give it a good work.
Thank you,
Okay, I
sis.
really
Thank you,
appreciate it,
everyone.
challenge. Thank you so much. Let's hear from Sister Putri Fatima. Why you lower your hand? Come on, give us some information about your childhood dream job, Sis Putri Fatima.
What was your childhood dream job?
Mm-hmm.
My dream job is to be a doctor.
Oh.
And do you still keep that dream? Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Because
so,
my mother wants me to be a doctor.
I mean, okay.
Uh,
Last question then.
what are the good things about that dream? The good things about that dream is I can make a lot of money and make my mother happy.
Oh, makes your mothers proud, yeah, of you, Sis Putri. Are you still in high school, Sis Putri?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you so much, Sis Putri. Keep up the good work. Amin, inshallah, yeah, Sis Putri, yeah. But I just have a biggest question, guys. Why, when we work it, we always want to be a doctor? Doctor or teachers? It's the biggest questions for me, guys. Does anyone here know the answer? Please share it to me, yeah, everyone. Let's hear from Sis Putri Isna Aulia. Come on. What was your childhood dream job, Sis Putri Isna?
My childhood dream job is policewoman.
A policewoman?
Police.
Yeah, oh, that's so great.
Um,
Uh-huh.
but I don't still keep the dream.
Don't give that dreams. Okay.
Um,
So if you change it, why do you do it?
Cause, cause I have a new dream. I
Oh,
think I have a new dream.
you have a new dreams.
Ah,
Okay, can you tell us
um,
if you don't mind?
In my childhood, I have a lot of
Dream.
dream,
Okay.
like oh no. Oh, now I have sorry. My new dream is to be independent woman.
What a classic
Yeah, classic.
Okay. Okay. So,
Rich woman.
what are the good things about independent women?
To be rich.
To be rich person and you can buy anything for yourself, yeah. Do not
Yeah, and
ask
my family,
with
my
your family. You can provide, okay, your family as well. So you
yeah.
can go abroad. Masih
Hmm.
sekarang yang jawab malah ya. Thank you,
Yeah.
Sis Putri
Thank
Isna.
you sis sudah
I really
mewakili.
appreciate it. Good job. Let's hear
Welcome.
from Sister Hilya, Shakira family nih. Wes sekarang udah ingat Shakira family tapi namanya ganti. Cecilia, how are
Yes,
you?
I changed my name, Miss.
Hi,
How are
Cecilia.
you doing now?
Yeah, I'm doing good, sister.
Okay, I want to try tell my childhood. when
Dream. Job, yeah.
I want to be a singer.
Ooh, singer. Oh, that's great.
Yes. And when I'm senior high school, I'll be a singer.
Oh, you're a singer? Can you sing a song for us? Just a little bit.
The song. Do you
It's
want
like,
me?
yes, guys, if there's any requests, please come on. You can request the songs to our friends here, Cecilia. For example, maybe I don't know. Oh, I don't know, a famous songs that you've heard. Yeah, Cecilia, yeah, you can sing any song that you want. A famous one, perhaps?
Uh, Indonesian song or English song?
Both of it, that's okay. Or English?
Okay. Okay. For my heart, another spell. You was to claim it. It
Oh.
was strong, and I was so bold until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hand is strong, but my knees will part to you. Udahlah, terus
Oh, udah ya. Ini satu album ya. Adele ya, I guess ya. It's Adele.
Yes, that's right.
Oh,
Yes,
you
that's
have a good
right.
song. You have a
Can
good
you do
song.
it? Yes.
Oh, you must join in Indonesian Idols. Yeah, they just started.
Yes. I ever joined to Jepara Idol when I still
Oh,
in
you've
senior.
ever joined in Jepara Idol?
Yes, there is the competition in my
Oh, the local
city
competitions in
before.
your cities. Got you, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so you
Yeah.
still keep that dream, Cecilia?
Because I ever
Mhm.
uh my dream come true, but I found there are many apa ya negative apa means a negative
Negative
situation when yeah
situations?
negative situation when I be a singer, so I changed my dreams. My dream now I want to be entrepreneur.
Oh,
Uh, I want to be a
uh-huh.
success entrepreneur mom.
Oh, amin. Okay. So, um, what are the good things about that dream, Cecilia?
What, Miss? You can
The
repeat it,
last
Miss?
one? Yep. The good things about that dreams. Become entrepreneur mom. Mhm.
Yes, I want to be a rich woman because when I child, I'm a poor lady, poor girl, and I want to change my life, change my family,
Uh-huh.
uh, start from me because
Uh,
I can mengandalkan apa, Miss?
rely on?
What?
Rely on?
Yes, I can rely on
Rely, rely,
someone,
rely. Mhm.
rely on uh,
Someone.
s- uh, someone else or
Mhm,
my
mhm.
family or my parents.
Oh.
I just rely on myself.
Oh, Masya
So
Allah.
I want to
Alright.
be a mompreneur and successpreneur and independent woman. I want to
Amin.
be rich.
Amin. Same here. Same here, Cecilia, yeah.
Yeah, I I
Yeah.
I work hard, pray hard every day.
Mhm.
I wake up at 3 a.m. and I work until 11 p.m.
Oh, wow, that's overtime. That's
Yes,
overtime.
I'm
More than
like a
12
pink
hours.
Power Ranger. You know.
Yeah. You need to take care of yourself then, Cecilia.
Yes, I take care
Okay.
of myself, my health.
Yeah, Cecilia, that's really good to hear that. So hope you can achieve your dream. Yeah, I mean, but don't forget about us here, whose company accompanies you when you're learning English in our class.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
so
you.
happy to hear that, Cecilia. Keep up the good work. Inshallah, Cecilia. Let's hear from Sister Dewi. Terakhir Sis Yaya ya, guys, because we need to move on to another session. Sis Dewi. Sis Dewi, yeah.
Hello,
Hello, Sis Dew. How are you, Sis Dew?
I'm great. How are you, sis?
Yes, I'm here, Sis Dew. I really appreciate it. So, what was your childhood dream job, Sis Dew?
To be a policewoman.
To be policewoman seems like Sister Putri Isna, yeah? So, do you still get that dreams?
Yes, I still.
Okay, so what are the good things about or become a policewoman, Sis Dew?
To arrest a bad people.
Oh,
Protect.
that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, that's all, sister.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Sis Dewi. I hope you can achieve your dream yet to be a policewoman. Amin. Last but not least, we have Sis Yeye. Where is the silky pudding, Sis Yeye?
How
Yes,
are
come on.
you, sis?
I'm doing great. How are you, Sis Yeye?
I'm great.
Okay.
Okay. About my dream. I think the past I was my dream childhood is a doctor.
Mm, doctor.
Yes, yes. I want to be a doctor at the
Mm.
past.
And
And my dream didn't come true.
oh, that's okay. Okay. So,
Be-
uh,
because
uh-huh.
I fail to enter the state university uh, at medical faculty.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I
Uh, if kalau swasta tuh apa sis?
private
University
university.
swasta?
Private university.
Private
Private.
university. If I enter to private university, is very expensive.
Oh, I see. Yep. In your era,
Yes,
especially, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes. Uh, Kuota kedokteran kan sedikit, is little.
Mm-hmm.
Terus
It's limited.
uh, limited quote and jalur tuh apa sis?
Oh, path?
Part
Path? Mm-hmm.
limited part to
Oh.
enter the state university.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Only uh rap only two part,
Oh, I see.
SNBT and SNBP.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Just that.
Oh.
Uh,
Oh.
and uh, uh, and I what is and then and then
Mm-hmm.
I major in accounting in
Account.
the
Oh. Become an accountant, yeah.
yes private university.
Oh, okay. Okay. And the good things about accountant?
We can to account
Mm-hmm.
and memeriksa itu apa sis?
Checking or
Tracking
monitoring?
about financial report
Oh,
like balance sheet
balancing, yeah.
yes
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
and statement, final
Yep.
statement
Mhm.
report, like that.
Okay. Thank you, Sis Yeye. That's a pretty
Welcome, sis.
impressive to tell us, yeah, about your dream, even though the dreams didn't come true, but that's okay, everyone. Sister, life must go
Life
on,
must
right?
go on.
Yes, and you have also another occasions as well, yeah, become an accountant, yeah, sis, yeah. So proud of you,
Yes.
sister. Thank you so much, sis, yeah, Gahapos to sister, yeah, guys. Okay, everyone. So excited to hear about your childhood dream job, yeah. As you know, as I said before, that everyone's here has a childhood dream job. So after this, I'm gonna invite you to the breakout room. Maybe you can try to tell us as well about your childhood dream job, yeah. Yeah, like in sis Yeye era, I think it's quite hard, teman-teman. Mungkin di sis Yeye era mungkin sedikit sulit ya. Karena kalau di era sekarang, because there's so many opportunity, banyak banget sekarang info-info beasiswa. Ada LPDP, ada Australian Awards, ada apa tuh beasiswa yang di Jepang, teman-teman, I forgot, also Rusia dan negara-negara lainnya, teman-teman. Jadi sekarang tuh opportunity in scholarship there's so many, teman-teman, banyak banget gitu ya. Bahkan untuk S1 nih, buat teman-teman yang mau S1, mau lulus S1, jangan lupa untuk cek-cek info beasiswa nih, guys. Okay, now we're move on to the next slide. We're gonna practice in the vocabularies, and I'm gonna invite you to repeat, no, to find the meaning ya, untuk cari artinya sama-sama ya, guys. Are you ready? Okay, what is the meaning of athlete?
Olahragawan.
Yes,
Atlet.
Atlet.
athlete.
Atlet.
How about ambassador?
Duta,
Duta.
besar. Duta.
Okay, architect.
arsitek,
Arsitek.
Yes, actor or actress.
Aktor.
Aktor atau aktris
Yes.
perempuan.
Banker.
Dagang.
banker,
Banker atau
Pegawai.
pegawai bank. Chef.
Bang.
Koki.
Koki. Police.
Polisi.
Polisi.
How about pilot?
pilot,
Pilot.
Teacher.
Guru.
Lecturer.
dosen,
Dosen.
Doctor.
Dokter.
dokter,
Okay. Soldier.
Tentara.
prajurit,
Dancer.
Penari.
Okay. Designer.
desainer,
Desainer.
Yes, designer or perancang. Content creator.
ya,
Kreator.
Buat konten atau
Konten.
content creator. Editor.
Pengedit.
Entrepreneur.
Pengusaha.
Usaha.
Okay. Engineer.
Ahli mesin.
Mesin.
Tailorman.
laut,
Journalist.
Jurnalis.
Lawyer.
Pengacara.
Manager.
Manajer.
Musician.
Musisi. Sisi.
Musisi.
Artis.
Okay,
Seniman.
or seniman. Speaking partner.
We are
The best partners.
Okay, I really appreciate it, everyone. So, those vocabularies, it's related to an occupation, teman-teman ya. Jadi beberapa vocabulary di sini juga berhubungan dengan pekerjaan nih. Ada nggak salah satu pekerjaan teman-teman di sini? Misalnya sih sekarang aku lawyer sekarang ya, atau a chef ya, dan seterusnya. Atau impian teman-teman nih nanti the future, for example, maybe sis Zara wants to be, oh sis Clara in the future I wants to be a lawyer. I wants to be a lawyer. I want to work with Hotman Paris misalnya. Aku mau kerja sama Hotman Paris gitu ya. Dan seterusnya boleh banget gitu teman-teman. Coba. Nah ada yang nanya nih dari sis Ai. Penjahit apa? Coba. How do we say penjahit? Mbak Tyler. Tyler? Ada yang tahu penjahit? Coba. How do we say penjahit? Ya, Taylor boleh. Translator international. Seer, yes, boleh juga. Nah, Teman-teman, ada juga pekerjaan yang sudah kekinian banget, itu disebut sebagai podcaster. Ada yang tahu nggak arti dari kata podcaster? What is the meaning of podcaster? Mhm. Podcaster. Apakah arti dari podcaster? Deddy Kobuzer. Apa ya? Podcaster, pembuat podcast, atau bisa juga disebut sebagai penyiar juga, teman-teman. How about, sekarang tuh tren banget namanya pekerjaan freelance. Freelance. Nah, coba. Di sini ada yang lagi freelance nggak? Guys, what is the meaning of freelance? Pekerja? Pekerja lepas ya. Maksudnya apa sih sekarang pekerja lepas? Pekerjanya lari? Enggak ya, teman-teman, enggak gitu ya. Pekerjanya bebas, teman-teman, tidak terikat waktu, pekerja panggilan. Nah, kalau lagi namanya part-time. Nah, kalau part-time apa? Part-time. Ini jenis pekerjaan ya, biar teman-teman juga. Nah, paruh waktu. Ini mungkin teman-teman yang masih SMA bisa part-time juga. Seru banget, guys, part-time. How about side job? Side job. Side job. Pekerjaan atau kerja sampingan. Kerja nyamping, maksudnya kerja di samping gitu ya, Bro Yazid ya. How about full time? Full time job. Full time job. Full time job. Pekerja penuh waktu. Kata Bro Aris gawe mulu. Iya, that's correct ya, Bro Aris ya. Oke, terakhir mungkin yang paling kekinian banget sekarang tuh kerjaan namanya remote job. Ya, what is remote job? Remote job. Kerja, ya, pekerja jarak jauh atau di mana saja, kerjanya di mana aja. Kerja pakai remote, nggak salah sih saya. Ada yang salah ekspektasi si Clara gitu ya. Okay, everyone. So those words ya, like freelance, part-time job, side job, full-time job, remote job. Teman-teman yang mana nih? Terutama yang bekerja apakah part-time, side job, full-time, remote job. Paling impian itu adalah remote job ya. Udah di rumah, teman-teman bisa kerja sambil tiduran gitu ya, guys ya. Okay, I think that's all, guys. We need to practice to our breakout room. Kita akan practice ya, teman-teman. Are you ready? Nah, ada lagi pertanyaan dari Sis Rika. Karyawan swasta apa, teman-teman? Ada yang tahu how do we say karyawan swasta? Mhm. Employ. Atau bisa juga bilang private employee gitu ya. Private biasanya. Atau cukup employee aja Sister Rika ya. Employee aja juga sudah mewakili gitu. Kalau penerjemah Pak Presiden apa sih Clara? Translator cukup, sister. Atau biasanya namanya juru bicara ya. Oke, kalau ASN, nah ASN apa teman-teman? Civil? Civil? Servant, thank you Sis Rizka. ASN, Civil Servant ya. Employee gitu ya teman-teman. Government employee gitu boleh juga. Dan seterusnya gitu ya. Sampai sini kita akan praktek lagi teman-teman. We're gonna practice and I'm gonna invite you to our breakout room ya, everyone. We're gonna practice. Ada lagi nggak pertanyaannya? Ada lagi? Sistara bedanya soldier sama army. Kalau army fansnya BTS ya, Sis Putri ya, bercanda Sis Putri Isna. Nah, kalau soldier itu orangnya teman-teman. Misalnya Bro Hafiz jadi tentara, ya berarti Bro Hafiz itu soldier teman-teman. Tapi kalau army itu kelompoknya gitu ya. Kelompok tentara. Semoga menjawab ya, Sis Putri Isna. Cukup ya guys, can we move on to our slide, to the next slide? Do you got it until here? Sampai sini jelas? Got it? Okay. Now we're gonna practice. You're gonna practice. Mention 4 occupation that you are interested in experiencing and tell about what you want to do. Teman-teman silakan sebutkan 4 pekerjaan yang ingin dicoba dan memiliki pengalaman baru. Ya, cara jawabnya adalah yang warna biru atau boleh juga yang warna hijau. Yang biru ya bisa juga. Okay, Sis Clara, there are 4 occupations that I want to try. First, chef, because I want to create delicious dishes and try new recipes. And the second one is the second pilot, because I want to fly planes and explore different countries. Third, teachers, because I want to help my students to learn and grow. Fourth, photographer, because I want to capture beautiful moments and landscapes. Nah, teman-teman, itu dia contoh cara jawabnya. Ada 4 pekerjaan yang ingin aku coba. Yang pertama, chef, karena aku pengen mencoba untuk membuat masakan-masakan yang enak dan juga mencoba menu baru. Yang kedua, pilot, karena aku ingin mencoba untuk menerbangkan pesawat dan juga menjelajahi negara-negara yang berbeda. Yang ketiga, guru, karena aku pengen mencoba untuk membantu muridku untuk belajar dan juga berkembang. Terakhir, fotografer, karena aku ingin mengabadikan momen yang indah dan juga pemandangan yang indah, teman-teman. Nah, itu dia. Silakan teman-teman, if you not ready yet, you could trying to preparing first. Teman-teman boleh untuk dipersiapkan terlebih dahulu untuk menyebutkan 4 pekerjaan yang teman-teman impikan. Until here, do you have any questions? Sampai sini adakah pertanyaan? Sebelum kita praktek, guys. Oke, got it ya? Got it? Oke, kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, as usual, I just want to remind you, don't forget to choose the moderator. Jangan lupa untuk pilih moderator for lead the group discussion ya. Jangan lupa untuk pilih moderator untuk mengelit ataupun memimpin grup diskusinya. Oke guys, let's move on. Seperti biasa, Clara akan membagikan pertanyaannya di WA group ya. Oke. Wih, halo Bro Ahmad. Halo Bro. Am I audible, Bro? Wait a second. Okay. Wait. Okay. Aku lagi kurang fokus, lagi sakit. Speed recovery ya, sister. Bro Ahmad, how was your discussion? How was your discussion? Oh, masih nggak bisa. Oh, pantesan kenapa kagak ada suaranya ini. Yes, bro. I'm so sorry. How was your discussion, bro?
Yeah, a discussion very interesting, but for the first time we be quiet
As always.
one by one. I'll let the others person to talk the first, but it's too long time. In the end, I start the
The
the dialogue
conversation.
with the conversation with Rahma, Bro Fatir, Cecilia,
Ooh, that's great.
Bro siapa tuh?
And others. Oh,
Okay.
Putri kata Cecilia.
Oh iya Putri, betul.
Okay, that's quite interesting. Thank you so much to hear that. Yeah, so proud of you, bro. Ahmad, yeah, thank you so much for being the leader. Yeah, I really appreciate it. So I also want to hear what from sister Zahra. Zahra, how was the discussion? Zahra Koronisa.
That's a
Actually,
good discussion, sis.
mm-hmm.
They are, we are sharing our dream job.
Okay, and is there any issues or is there any difficulties with your friends or something like that?
Sorry?
The difficulties, like it's hard to
Ah,
tell the dreams.
maybe sometimes we quiet and
Okay, that's all. Okay, so glad to hear that. Thank you, Zahra. I really appreciate it. Okay, everyone. Yeah, it seems like Bro Ahmad now, Bro Ahmad. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's hard to pronounce your name. It's really hard to pronounce your name. Yes, it seems like Bro Ahmad. Yeah, I found so many cases in another class as well. In their break room, they felt shy. Dia ngerasa malu. Mereka ngerasa malu ya. And so what should we do, Sis Clara? Terus apa yang harus kita lakukan? So we need to be the first who start the conversation, teman-teman. Jadilah orang pertama yang memulai percakapannya terlebih dahulu ya biar kebiasaan nih kayak Sis Putri Isna nih sekarang udah makin lancar aja nih lancar jaya diskusinya ya. Also
Lancar ya,
tadi
alhamdulillah.
Bro Firdaus juga udah mulai terbiasa gitu ya dan teman-teman lainnya gitu ya. So I hope you can be the person who always consistent everyone. And I think that's all for our class tonight ya. Any question before we end it? Adakah pertanyaan? Teman-teman? All good?
Enough, please.
I think
All
no.
right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining our class. And we meet again tomorrow. I just want to tell you that tomorrow we're going to discuss about school and also past tense, yeah, everyone. So thank you
Oh
so
my
much for
God.
joining our
Oh my
class.
God.
Last but not least, speaking partner.
We
We
are the
are
best
the best
partner.
partner.
Yes,
Yay.
have a good rest. Selamat istirahat. Thank you